Hello and welcome to this part of the tutorial where we are going to look at how we are showing the Aarti. Now if you see, this Aarti is going absolutely in a circular motion. So how are we calculating each and every coordinate? What do you think? You want to type it down? What were your first thoughts? Or you can even just think for yourself and check with the remaining tutorial. Let's see, what did you think? Yeah, we are using a very basic code here. This is all what it is making it circular. This is the code where we are setting the radius based on the murti size. We want the circle to be of different radius, so 50, 60, 70. The actual code of setting the coordinates is we are doing 3 cycles of the Aarti. We are repeating 360, making a complete circle. So we are using sine and cos. So if you've already done the Scratch Challenge project orbiting the sun using cos sine, you may be familiar with this, but if you have not, then yeah, go ahead and do this. But primarily, sine and cos is part of trigonometry in math. You may not have yet studied it, depending upon which grade are you in, but you slowly will. And hopefully you'll find it more interesting because you have already used it. So we are using it to calculate the xy coordinate and doing it in a step of 360 so that it calculates the next value. And once this is complete, our celebration project is done and we just show the last slides. So I hope you will find all the tips as part of this project to make your projects more interactive, interesting, fun. Happy creative coding, and do tell us how you enjoy participating in this Code-a-thon.